Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. So today I want to present my qualitative research proposal. My title is Exploring the Role of Social Interaction Enhancing English Speaking Skill in SMP Negeri Samarinda. SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda. And next, okay, research background. So the research background is the researcher is interested in exploring the role of social interaction in improving English speaking skills between between students at school and outside of the school, in influencing students in improving their speaking skills. So, social interaction play an important role in improving English skills policy among students, as in the case of at SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda. Well, traditional English teaching just focus on grammar, vocabulary, and reading, but we can use interaction with friends or with teacher for improve our speaking skills also. And improving our speaking skills not just for not just in school but outside school. We can do influence our speaking skill with interaction with other people. Next. So my research question first is how do students at SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda reviews the role of social interaction in enhancing their speaking English speaking skills. Two is what type of social interaction do the student at SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda find most beneficial for improving their English speaking abilities. And next is research objective. First is to investigate how students at SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda reviews that role of a social interaction in enhancing their English speaking skills. Two is to identify the challenges students at SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda face in using social interaction to improve their English speaking skills and the method they employ to overcome the challenges. Next is so the theory. Social interaction. I'm using two theories from my qualitative research. Social interaction, the study of language social interaction (LSE). In various research describe that consider language as integral part of social activity, not just a medium of communication. White Goes 1953, some seminal work in their area around that meaning of words should be inferred from the context and effective while they predict. And English speaking skills. Communication is an inter for communication idea fact and proposed in academic and proposal settings. Oral communication is defined by the symbology communication theory as the process of conveying meaning use symbols, both spoken and non-spoken word, like gesture, visual emotions and expression, their symbols. So the theory in speaking skills, communication. Communication is not just about spoken. It's not just about face to face. We have to use our gesture when we talk to someone, and that's the symbol from the communication, the gesture, voice, and spoken word. The social interaction, we interact with other people in social, not just maybe not just in school or around us. We can interact with other people outside, maybe using technology. Okay, next. So here we study that social interaction among students can have various positive effect on learning outcomes. In the context of the article, the impact of student interaction on student learning by Hurt, Wellens, and Nixon, studies report that social interaction helps the student their comprehension and relation of knowledge, making an effective teaching tool. Social interaction, creative, positive working environment that can contribute to a more engaging and supportive learning atmosphere. So when we interact with friends, when students interact with friends, their friends in class, they create um, atmosphere for learning, or maybe just asking with the teacher about what they understand in, in what they study in, that can um, it's when they speak, it's make them what's again interaction with the teacher and the friend, and that interaction it's helped them to speak, learn to speak, um, learning how to speak more in class with friends, with teacher, and maybe outside school with their friends. And it's helped to improve speaking skills in social interaction. With social interaction, you interaction in social and help to improve your English speaking. Next. Okay, methodology. Research design. This quantitative study use methodology approach to explore how students interact, improve English speaking skills among students at SMP Negeri 9 by examining student life experience. The study the study the study aimed to understand the impact of social interaction on language development, highlighting the curricular role in gaining English proficiency. Mm, Phonological is a qualitative research methodology and and physical approach that aims to describe the human experience experienced by understanding by individuals. Structured life experience without bias or hedging it, aims to understanding the natural of constituted participant and reality by chaptering the subject. And research participant, in this qualitative research, my participant I'm using convenient sampling I used to choose grade 8 student from SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda as a student participant. Convenient sampling was used in this study because it's some limitation on data collection and storage participant for interviews. Even though this not probably sampling technique was biased, but I'm using this because not have a lot of time and a lot of participants that I can interviews. So I'm using this convenient sampling. Next, research instrument. Here, my research instrument. The research, so, the major instrument of the study while in interview being premier. I'm as a researcher being a premier tools, and then analyze data, making sure that product follow the participant. The purpose of this qualities is participant answering the question with their answer, and I'm just using 10 question. I'm just using 10 question to interview from this participant, and between the participant answer and argument, the validity of the information of this information. Next is data collection procedure. The data collection procedure that I will use is interviews and participant are grade 8 student of SMP Negeri 9 Samarinda. Namely just student A. Before conducting the interview, I collect question first from the journal that I read, and um and then from few journal I I make a 10 question to ask the participant, and then um I ask the participant and determine the time, place for the interviews. Data analysis technique. The data analysis technique. In this data analysis technique, I use technique analysis for the following step outlined by Burns and Clark 2006 interview, and TIG transcript will be analyzed by the line to identify it in fact code. So, sorry, this code will then group into bar them to pictures patterns experience. The analysis will be in fact with themes being fight research and new data collection. Triangulation of the data from interview, FGD, and document analysis will be enhanced. The collaborative validative finding data analysis will involve the analysis following the steps by the Darum and Carl 2006. Next. Oh, okay. Any question? Yeah. Question?
Excuse me.
Yes.
May I ask?
Mm-hmm.
My name is Arif Abdullah, and my question is, what is
Mm-hmm.
what is the importance of you raising this title?
Okay. Question again?
May I?
Yes.
So why did you choose your sampling technique?
Okay. Okay, I will answer Arif Abdullah question first. So I choose it because it's relevant to the main focus of the study, which is the role of social interaction in skills, improving English skills in SMP Negeri Samarinda, Negeri 9 Samarinda. The title makes the purpose and scope the student clear to read and the readers. So I take this title because of I think in interaction and speaking, you can improve your speaking by interaction with other people, with speaking to your friends or your teacher, maybe just asking in the class. And from the question that I asked of also, it's yeah that I think it's true. You can improve your speaking skills by interaction with friends. Is that clear enough?
Okay, I think that's great.
Okay. I will answer Suci Karoma's question. What the questions again? Sorry.
So what did you choose your sampling technique?
My convenience sampling. Okay. Use convenience sampling because the limitation of data collection and storage for my participant interviews. Maybe it's biased, but I just can't use this because the limitation of data and for the interviews, even though it's not properly sampling technique has interest research that may limit how broadly and result may be. But I just uh, interview one interviewers, the one students from 8th grade, from and some 10 question. Yes, and yep, I choose this sampling because the limitation of data.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's that enough. Okay, thank you for join my thank you for come to my presentation, and thank you so much. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Cut. Perutku sakit.